the leverage. Got the leverage, yeah. Got the leverage. Got the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Yo, welcome. You don't know, say your boy Eclips. Welcome back to Leverageboss TV. And today we have a special edition. Today we get a tattoo. You see me? And we're gonna see if it hurt. The first tattoo for this year. Not my first tattoo, because I have one right, but first one for the year. So we're gonna go and see what this tattoo, how it feel and what it's all about. You see me? So we'll get something little. Is that just a random walk-in? So I get something small, just some words, and see where it entails. So when you catch a prayer, when you follow me just quick and fast, and we're gonna see what's the deal with it. You see me? So you will know the leveraging, man. Follow the journey, follow the process, you know. And the name of the tattoo shop right now they are Pompano. So right now it's the lower. What? The Latour Tattoo Studio? Yeah. So we just passed by and say, yo, long time when I get that tattoo. So we're gonna see. So we'll be back. We'll show you the process and everything. You see me? Data leverage. So, your leverage nation where I get ready to deal with the tattoo, you know? Yeah, I'll fling it for my hand right there. That's something nice. Kind of price still. Not to the price, but that.
where you want it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put it a little bit more, one more time because I have to do a little bit like just like this.
Okay. Alright, Leverage Nation, we get back to when we start. Alright? Data leverage. Okay.
Does this fit the... I think it might work. If you want to put it right here.
Sure.
Right? That works. Down. Look at that coming through.
Right? Leverage. We're going to
Right?
start, you know? That is it. Just watch the process and see, you know? Yeah.
Apareceu no estúdio. 1.600 pagar depósito para entrar, um mês para entrar, um mês para entrar e um mês de depósito.
Ela tá com. Ela tá com o papelzinho na boca. So pretty.
So I got this. I got a new thing for here, and then when I finally got a piece of jewelry for my ears. This is my bestie. She got me all dazzled up. So.
That's so pretty.
Right? I was like, this is a good. Because I used to have the horseshoe. I was like, no, I want to do something different. I want to do this one. It's cute. And I got the same one.
It's so like
delicate. Yeah, it's like it's not too much either. I didn't want anything too crazy. The ones that swoop down too much. I like this one.
I love it. Because tem isso daqui. Chegou que o senhor cara. E tem isso daqui. Que é o quê? Que é tipo é entre a liner e a on-shape. Mas o que é? Ela é um pouquinho mais redondinha assim, só que ela é mais longa. Ok. Try it. Is it working now?
Yeah.
You know how it was in the iPad? There was like little holes inside the letters.
Yeah.
I was gonna leave it, but it's so small, it's not gonna look good. So I'm just gonna spin it all black, okay? chose this bright red because after it heals, it's gonna be a little bit more subtle. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be too like.
So what's the healing process? What I gotta put on it? I have to put.
So I'm gonna put like a little bandage on your arm. It's called Synoderm. It's like a second skin. It's like a little like transparent band-aid pretty much. You're gonna keep that for like 3 days, 3 to 5 days. Some people use it, some people don't. We here in the shop we all use it. So you're just gonna keep that for like 3 to 5 days, and then you're gonna take it out into the shower and wash it really well with unscented antibacterial soap. I recommend the dial soap, and I use one that's like a foam, so it's easier.
So after 3 to 5 days, I take it off in the shower.
Yep. Not warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just warm. And then wash it with antibacterial soap. And then dry it with paper towel, like just like this. You know, don't like rub it, just like pat it dry like that. And then you're gonna put a little bit of Aquaphor. That's what I like to do. I like to put a tiny bit, like literally like this much. You're gonna put like very little, twice a day. So in the morning you shower.
After the 5
After the 5 days, you shower, wash it, pat it down with a paper towel, and put a little bit of Aquaphor morning and night for 2 days. And then after 2 days, you can just switch to any unscented lotion like this one. Just like it has to be unscented though, like no scent.
Okay.
I have all the instructions also on my Instagram page. I'm gonna give you my card.
Okay. Guys, check his Instagram out if you like. You see, it's Luke Tattoos underscore.
There we go.
Luke Tattoos underscore. I'm gonna put that in the description too. So we get back to you when we finish. I'm gonna take a picture for it.
So you need to tell me like
something like spiritual. Like I have this here.
Right. Just let me get my identity.
Okay.
Alright, so Leverage Nation, we just leave the tattoo shop and it was a good experience. It never hurt that bad. Right now, bandage up kinda, sorta. So yeah, and that is it. Do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's the journey of me getting the first tattoo of the year. Dr. Leverage.